Hey guys, John Fagan here with eXp Realty, and as we get closer and closer to the 2019 spring market, I want to talk again about the importance of getting pre-approved if you're looking to buy a home. Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Getting pre-approved for a loan is sometimes overlooked by buyers, whether they're first-time buyers or experienced buyers. Sometimes they just assume that they're going to get pre-approved and it's no big deal. But I want to highly encourage you and tell you some good reasons why you really want to start the whole home buying process with that pre-approval. And of course, talking to an agent that can refer you to a good lender is always a great idea if you don't have a lender you already know and trust. But starting with that pre-approval process, it does so many things for you in terms of getting you pre-approved so you can go make an offer if you find the right house, but also giving you a great idea of how much you can afford, what you qualify for, what those payments are going to be, all those details about your finances and that you need to have first before you go start looking at homes, especially if you're serious about buying and you might find the right home. A seller's not going to wait for you to go and get that pre-approval letter. So one, it's going to give you a competitive advantage. A necessity really if you're going to look at buy homes and are serious about writing an offer, but it's also going to give you that preparation that you need to find out what you can qualify for, what the payments are going to be. You don't want to go and look at houses and find out that you're not comfortable with those payments and then have to start looking at things that are less attractive because they're less expensive. So it's always a great idea. Start with that pre-approval so you can really understand all those details. Another thing I was talking to, I actually got an email from a lender that I work with regularly. And it's talking about people, have you ever been in a situation where you went to buy a car or get a credit card and it said your credit is high 700s or 800, and then you go to get a financing for a home mortgage and they say your credit is only 720 or 730 and you're wondering what the difference is. And of course, when you're looking to buy a car or a line of credit with a credit card, maybe $5,000, maybe you're looking to buy a car and finance $10,000 or $20,000, they're looking at things a lot differently than a home lender is looking at a home loan when you're trying to get $1 million loan or a $2 million loan, whatever it may be. They're going to scrutinize that credit a little bit more and have higher things that you got to have in place. So you got to have a higher credit. You got to have better records of paying bills on time. And so they're going to scrutinize your credit score a lot more than someone like it's a car lender. It's giving you a car loan or a credit card. So you really want to, don't assume you know what your credit is. Don't assume you know what you qualify for. Get in, work with a lender. Of course, we can refer you to some great lenders locally. But if you have one, that's where you want to start if you're looking to buy a house in 2019. And again, as we're getting closer to that spring market when a lot of people might be thinking to make a move, start that process now. Get in touch. If you have any hiccups in your credit, a lot of lenders can help you increase that credit score over the next few months so you're ready to buy a house when it's time. If you have any questions, if you need a great lender, reach out to me, John Fagan, eXp Realty, 408-718-0264. Thanks. We'll see you next time.